Hey, what's going on, guys? I am Jake from today'siphone.com. Apple just finished their Worldwide Developer Conference and they announced a bunch of awesome new stuff, so let's go over the main topics. Alright, as expected, the announcement was cut up into 3 separate parts. Let's talk about iCloud. Now, I can't tell you everything about iCloud because this video would be as long as a keynote, but let's just say iCloud is all of your stuff up in the cloud. Now, as far as music goes, this means that when you purchase a new song on your iPad, it will automatically download to your iPhone and your iPod Touch as well without having to sync. Now, this can work over Wi-Fi or 3G. Now, what's more, through the iTunes app, you can see all of the music you've ever bought on iTunes on any of your devices and download them directly to that device without having to sync or connect to a computer. Basically, it stores your music history and lets you download anything that you don't already have. Now, this is all great for iTunes purchased music, but what about music you haven't purchased from iTunes? This is where iTunes Match comes in. This service basically provides all of these services that iCloud does for iTunes music for non-iTunes music. So let's say you've ripped some songs from a CD or purchased them from the Amazon MP3 store. This service is $24.99 a year, and if you subscribe to it, it'll scan your iTunes library, find the songs that weren't purchased from iTunes, and whatever songs have an iTunes counterpart will automatically be put in the cloud using the highest possible quality, which is the iTunes Plus version. Now, one of the best features of the iTunes Match service is the fact that it's one set price, $24.99 a year. That means no matter how many songs iTunes matches for you, it's gonna stay that price. Now, iCloud doesn't just work for music though. It works for pictures, documents, applications, data as well. For pictures, there's something called PhotoStream, which means every picture you take is synced to all of your devices. On your Mac or PC, it's just all of your pictures that you take. But for your portable devices with a much more limited amount of storage, the newest 1000 pictures will be stored on your device, and from there you have the option to save them to your device permanently, or if you decide to just save them in iCloud and not have them permanently on your device, they will be constantly replaced with the newest 1000 pictures that you take. Every 30 days, that is. What's more, apps, books, documents, everything is synced over all of your devices using the iCloud service. But probably one of my favorite features of iCloud is the backup service. iCloud backs up your purchased music, apps and books, photos and video in the camera roll, device settings, app data, home screen and app organization, text and MMS messages, and ringtones. Now, iCloud automatically backs up daily over Wi-Fi, but it only changes the stuff that you changed on your device, so it's way easier and less data intensive. What this means is that if you ever buy a new device or have to restore your old device, all you have to do to set it up is connect to Wi-Fi and enter your Apple ID and password, and then everything that iCloud backed up will automatically download. All of the organization of applications, all of your text messages, all of your pictures, all of your music. It's all right there in the cloud, ready for your download, and it makes starting a new device as simple as possible. Alright, well, that's the major stuff from the WWDC 2011 keynote. I gotta say, I am very, very pleased with the event. There was no mention of iPhone 5, but I didn't really think there would be. I cannot wait to start using iCloud and iOS 5, but I don't know how you guys feel about this. Are you happy with the announcement, or did it leave you wishing for something more? I'm sure a lot of people wanted an iPhone 5, but I was pretty certain that it just wasn't gonna happen this time around. So with that out of the picture, what else would you have liked to see from the event? Some new software feature that wasn't added, or maybe some new feature implemented in a different way? As I already said, my new favorite feature is the notifications. I cannot wait to start using them. So what's your favorite iOS 5 feature? Let me know in the comment section down below. We have a much more detailed account of the event on today'siphone.com, as well as more in-depth reviews and articles about everything that Apple announced and what it could mean for the iPhone in the future and for other products out there. So definitely head over to today'siphone.com and check out all the content on WWDC that we have. If you want to talk to me on Twitter, talk about iOS 5, the WWDC announcements, or just anything, feel free to do so at twitter.com/tipjake. And thanks for watching, guys.